Let's see why the winder winds unevenly. We can see the spool full. It winds only on one side and leaves the other side completely unbalanced. And this will bother us in the boot. With the spool full, like this, we can see that it's completely full on one side, but the other side is very low. So let's look at the reasons. First, we must keep in mind that the entire winder is completely straight. This part is completely straight. Many people tilt it like this so that it winds the band better. For some reason, they think that's it. So they tilt it and it bothers them. Another thing that is also often seen is that here, where the tensioner is, we can see that it is completely twisted. It must be completely aligned, straight, even. Together here with the reel, it is completely parallel. Here we can see that it is completely twisted. So we talked about the screw and to straighten this part. Yes, we can say that it is already. It is completely straight and we see it totally parallel to the spool. So once we have it like this, we check it out and proceed not to press the pedal.
Now we can see that it fills the spool completely evenly.